Hello everyone, I'm Miss Khin from the Eastlake Public Library. This is week 6 and the final week for our summer craft program. Today I'm going to show you how to make a super easy and a super cute balloon elephant card like this. Materials you're going to need are a piece of paper, white or any color, a latex balloon of any color, 2 small strips of paper, the same color as your balloon or any color of your choice, liquid glue, a glue stick, a pair of scissors, a black ballpoint pen, some stickers and crayons or markers to decorate your card. To make a card, fold the paper in half. The balloon is your elephant, so draw 2 eyes on the face with a black ballpoint pen. If you have googly eyes at your house, use those for the eyes of your elephant. Use a drop of liquid glue on the back side of the face. Then glue the balloon on the front center of the card. Okay, oops. Okay, let it dry. Then fold the paper strips in half. On the spine of the paper strip, draw an ear shape like this. Draw an ear shape like this on the spine of the paper strip. Okay, let's draw another one on the spine of the paper strip. Another ear shape. Cut along the line. And cut along the line. Unfold it. You will get 2 ears for your elephant. Glue each paper cut out on both sides of the elephant's head. You can use the glue stick. Then use some stickers to decorate your card. Or you can draw on it. Isn't it very cute? You can give it to your mom or your grandma or your friends for their birthdays or Mother's Day or Valentine's Day. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest of the summer and be safe. Hope to see you soon in person at our library. Bye now.